A very warm welcome and a very bright BMW here. It's 2015 on a 65 plate. We've purchased the vehicle straight from the owner who had a new car, and it's got a few nice extra features on this car. One of those features is the 18-inch alloys you're seeing. They're an optional extra. It's got an electric towbar fitted by BMW, which was an £800 option. It's got the navigation, heated seats, front and rear park assist, and it's finished in black with a cream heated leather, which is absolutely stunning. Privacy glass on the rear. Altogether a beautiful car. Let me show you the car. It's done 48,000 miles. It's got a full BMW service history. So every service has been done by the BMW dealers. It's a local car to us in Manchester. We're about 40 minutes away, so we travelled to Wilmslow and purchased the car straight off their driveway. We have a buying company, so if any of you are part exchanging or trading the cars in, maybe give us a look up on webuyyourcar365.co.uk. That's our business, as well as Cheshire Cars. It has matching tyres. They're Pirelli tyres. All four tyres are matching, and all the wheels are in great condition. Tyres are in great condition. We do have a written inspection report on this vehicle, which we're more than happy to afford you a copy of. It's MOT'd by the BMW dealer in, I think it was October, November, so it's been sold with its current MOT. There's 9 or 10 months left on the MOT. There's no service due. Everything is great. It's also got an electric tailgate. Let me just demonstrate that to you. There she is, electric tailgate. And we'll go inside the cockpit properly in a few moments, but just for now, as you can see, there are no smells or undue wear and tear in the vehicle. It's in great condition. The tow bar the button for the tow bar is just behind here. Let me just show you. Actually, it comes out in a moment. There you go, she's coming out now. It is a slowish operation, but there you go. And you have a socket here as well. So there's your tow bar. Retract it. Just press it again, and it goes back and neatly sits away under the rear bumper. And I don't think, looking at it, there are any. No, I don't think it's been cut away at all, so that's got to be a worthwhile feature. There she goes, all the way. Nothing to show. Fantastic. Excellent. BMW, you're a genius. Other vehicles are available with tow bars, but I'm not sure if they'll be available with an electric tow bar like that. Press the button, and the tailgate goes down. 48,000 miles. It's a diesel 2 litre. It's about 180 or 90 brake horse. It's the xDrive 4-wheel drive. And what can I say about the interior? It's an absolute pleasure to go inside and sit inside. It's going to rain. I'm going to get wet in a moment. What a shame. We don't like the rain, do we? Centre armrest. Pop inside now, stop the camera getting drenched. We've also got a button there which will release the tailgate from inside the car. Heated electric mirrors, 4 electric windows, lock and unlock, auto headlights, adjustable seats. Very nice car indeed. I think I may have already said that. Let me just straighten the steering wheel. Cruise control, heated seats, DAB digital radio, CD player, USB AUX ports, Bluetooth, telephone. Wonderful. All our vehicles are available with our UK free delivery. That works very simply. You agree to buy the car, obviously. You pay a small deposit of £250, and then we deliver it to your door only when we've done that and you've received the car, do you pay the balance by a bank transfer. So the risk, if you like, if there is any risk, is on our part, not on yours. We'll travel anywhere in the UK mainland and deliver this car to you. You could apply online for finance. On our website there is an option to do that. There's also a new option to reserve this car. Just underneath the pictures there was a reserve this car button, tab. Click onto that and it generates an email. Populate the email, send it to me, either myself or Chris will get back to you, and you've reserved the vehicle. 24 hours reservation. And you can do the same with the finance. You can propose yourself online, you can have the documents sent to your home, and you can sign online in the comfort of your lounge or kitchen or office, wherever you are. So very, very straightforward and simple operation. We've been established 23 years and we have 5-star reviews on Google, Auto Trader and Facebook. So we are easy and transparent to find out about. There are your heated seats. It's a 3-stage heating. You can tone that down to 1. There's your temperature. I think you can sync them. I'm just trying to think. You sync them just there and then they both change together, or you can unsync them and then only one, whichever one you want to change. There's a screen for your navigation, also parking sensors. So if we put the gearbox into reverse gear, go that way, and then you should get a dagger of the car, and you get the same going forwards as well. So all very nice, all very straightforward. You've got your wheel here controls all the functions, including the let me just go into the car menu, vehicle information, status should be service requirements. There you go, everything is absolutely fine. And if you go to that one, it tells you where it's been, when it's been. So it was in September, 45,000 miles. It's now done 48,700 miles, all by BMW. There you go, lovely. We go back. I've just noticed the camera hasn't got much charge. There's a gearbox, 8-speed automatic, and you've got the Eco Pro and Sport modes as well as Comfort. So you've got 3 settings in the gearbox. We have 2 of those, and we have book packs just there, and the V5 HPI certificate all available. If I just pop out and quickly end the video, the battery is going rather low. So that's our X3 xDrive SE with upgraded specification, including navigation, cream heated leather and rear and front parking sensors, digital radio, available from Cheshire Cars in Crewe in Cheshire. Have a fabulous day. Part exchange and car finance are both available, as is free UK delivery. Have a wonderful day.